Today I got my Transformers Bumblebee fidget cube arrived today in the post. It's a Hasbro, and I first saw this on another YouTuber's channel, Jess Blunt, and they had Bumblebee and they also had Optimus Prime. They've got some awesome product reviews on their channel, so I do encourage you to go and have a look and check it out. Again, that's Jess Blunt's channel. So let's get right into it. So first of all, you've got Bumblebee. He's got transfers on his face. He's got some buttons that you can press on the front, which are quite, responsive. You have a light switch function, and if you look on Bumblebee, he's got this little wheel which clicks when you turn it. Unfortunately, when you reverse and turn it the other way, it doesn't make any noise, but it's quite satisfying sound. I like audible sounds, so these really appeal to me. Again, on the other side, he's got a slide function. There's some resistance in the slide function, which I do like. On the back you have the roll ball, which is a very smooth action. It also clicks in. The detailing on Bumblebee is really good. And then on the side you have these little silicone rubber horns and feet. So that's my Bumblebee Hasbro fidget cube.